Wow! Where did they come from? They weren't there yesterday.
Maybe they fell out of the sky.
Maybe they're stars. Or tiny suns.
Oh! They're flowers.
Wow. Can we pick some flowers, Mum?
The dandelions. Of course you can.
We can make them into flower necklaces.
But if we pick them, they'll be gone.
Look at how many there are, Nora.
Okay, we can make necklaces.
All you do is take one flower and then another one and tie the stem around like this to make a knot. Watch me again, Nora. Take one flower and then another one and then make a knot.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
Oops. Sorry, Nelly.
That's okay.
What would I do without you two? You're both such great little gardeners.
What about those ones, Mrs. Bonner?
I thought you girls might like to have them. There's one for each of you, and you can choose where you'd like to plant them out.
Don't be scared, little flower. I'm going to look after you.
Come on, Nora. I'm going to plant mine by the step, Nora.
Do we have to plant them, Nelly?
Of course we do. They can't stay in these little pots. We need to plant them so they'll grow big and strong and make flowers. This is a good place. They'll get plenty of sun and the deck will shelter them from the wind.
Huh?
You should plant yours on the other side, Nora. They'll look very pretty.
What if somebody steps on them by mistake, Nelly?
little fence so nobody will step on my plant.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
But there are no leaves on the other trees.
Those trees think it's winter. But this tree thinks it's spring.
Silly tree. It's winter. See? It's snowing.
That's not snow.
Nelly, it is snow. Soon we'll be deep in the snowy winter forest. Oh, the poor little leaves are going to get too cold.
Well, if this is the snowy winter forest, then we better help keep the leaves warm.
Leaf hats. Good idea, Nelly. Yeah.
There, they're nice and snug now.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora. Oh, no!
Help it, help it!
Huh? Freeze! We don't want to step on it.
It's on your shoulder, Nelly. It's in your hair. It's getting ready to fly. It's flying.
Oh, no! Look at the river.
It's got lost. Yay!
Now the flower can have a drink.
And we can too.
Nelly, Nora, do you want to come in the paddling pool?
Go on, girls.
Wait! Our flower! It's okay. The flower just needed to get its feet wet.
So we can too. Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
All the leaves are falling off.
It's autumn. Ooh.
the trees will get cold without any leaves on.
The leaves are sticky. Wet and sticky. We can stick them on the trees again.
So they have something to wear to keep them warm.
Oh. Oh. Trees look much nicer with their leaves on.
Especially stripy leaves.
Like stripy pajamas.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Are you sure the noise came from this way, Assistant Dad?
Maybe we should go on just a bit further. This must be what made that crash we heard. Wait here. I'll make sure it's safe to approach. Yes, this poor tree definitely blew down in the storm. Pity. She was a beauty.
Nora, wait. The birds sound so sad. I think this tree was their friend.
Oh.
It's an acorn seed.
From little acorns, giant oak trees grow.
Oh,
There's loads of them.
we should plant them so beautiful new trees will grow. The birds are happy now.
You made them happy.